Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can add a new profile in Netflix. So all you want to do is just write Netflix to Google or just the site, click on it, and right away you will have it here, who's watching. What you want to do is just click add profile, and then you will have an add profile like, I don't know, random. Then I will click continue. And now how you can delete the profile. All I want to do is click manage profiles. And it's loading, it's loading, and it's loading. And it's still loading. Oh my god. Why it's happened? It's so long. Look at that. Yep, you can just click on it. Random, delete profile, and voila, that's how you delete the profile and add a new account or person in your Netflix. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya.